Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Flaky Projects. So in this video, we'll continue the project list from point number 83, crowd counting in tourist places. Okay, let's click on it. Now it will open the web page, crowd counting using YOLO algorithm. Now, people counting and detection in historical places utilizes neural network to monitor and analyze crowd dynamics. By processing the video feeds, the system accurately count and track the movement of people in various areas. This application aids in optimizing space utilization, ensuring crowd safety, and facilitating efficient crowd management. The neural network's capability to handle diverse scenario and crowd sizes enhance the accuracy and reliability of people counting. So this will be the output video of that project, like where user have to give the input to video of crowd, and it will detect the person. It will make the boundary boxes. It's showing the label like person. It will count the total number of person, like total count 23, and it will show the FPS. This will be the YouTube video, and if you want to play that video, just click on it. It will play the video. Like you can see, it will track the person and make the label and count the total number of person in that video. And these are the software and hardware requirements. You can also check out related projects in different technologies like Android app, Java, OpenCV, data science, data analytics, deep learning, cybersecurity, machine learning, image processing, web development, game development, artificial intelligence, and database management. Like if you click on the click here button, then it will open the project list where you can check out all the projects. Okay, just go back. Now, point number 84, crowd counting from webcam and video based. In that project, user can upload an input video. It works on the real-time laptop front camera also. Now, crowd density tracking in holy places. Crowd density estimation. That particular project is implemented in any holy places, or you can implement in tourist place or temple or any other places in shopping mall also. So where user have to give the CCTV footage video, and it will analyze the crowd. With it will show the heavy crowd, less crowd, or medium crowd, and it will count the total number of people in that video, like 111 in that particular video frame. And FPS will change the FPS continuously. And these are the software and hardware requirements. Let's scroll up. Like if you want to play that video, just click on that particular play button, then it will play the video. And we have trained the model on large data set of person images, so that model can detect the person and count the total number of person in that video. Now, crowd density tracking in holy places. And point number 87, crowd tracking in and out from buildings. Just click on it. Now in that, the camera is installed in the entrance of the building, and it will track the total number of person going inside and outside that particular building, like prediction border entrance and status tracking enter 2 exit 0, total number of people inside 2. It will give the ID to that unique persons. Like this project is based on the real time people counting system using Python, and this system user have to provide input video to machine learning model, and model will count the total number of people counting inside and outside to building. We have to make one prediction border so that system will classify the inside and outside part of building. Simultaneously, it will check the person status like they are tracking or waiting, etc. This machine learning model also gave unique ID to each person for counting, and it will count separately how many people going inside and outside. This will be the YouTube video, and these are the software and hardware requirement, like crowd detection and crowd analysis in shopping mall using UL algorithm. Just go back. Now, crowd detection and counting system, point number 88. So these are the complete information, and these are the project functionality of crowd counting using machine learning. This project is developed using Python programming language, and Tkinter used for creating the graphical user interface. User can give input of image, video, and live streaming option and predict the output. For input image option, user have to give input image, and model will predict and give output with number of people count and including density. In input video, user have to pass video to model, and model will predict counting of people and density estimation. Live streaming, user have to give IP address, and model will take access of camera and it will predict the live people counting with density estimation. Like it will show the density estimation like dense or moderate or less crowded, and it will count the total number of people in that particular frame. If we click on the play button, then it will play the video. Let's click on the play button. It will play the video. You can see it will count the total number of people in that video frame. See, it will count the total number of people like 1782, and density is dense. Now scroll down. These are the software and hardware requirements. Let's scroll up. Now point number 89, cryptocurrency price prediction. Just click on it. Bitcoin time series forecasting in Python and predict Bitcoin prices using machine learning. Now just read out the project working of Bitcoin price prediction using machine learning. Like Cryptspace forecast multi-coin project developed using Python programming language and graphical user interface developed using Tkinter. In this project, user can select the coins like BTC INR, Doge INR, ADA INR, BNB INR, Sol INR, Ethereum INR, USDC INR, USDT INR, XPR INR. After that, user have to enter number of days to forecast. Like forecast in tabular form, it will convert into tabular format. Graphically, that function will generate graph for 365 days and price and date. This will be the YouTube video, and these are the software and hardware requirement. If you want to play that video, just click on the play button. Let's scroll up. And point number 90, cryptography VPN. Just click on it. Now the VPN cryptography using Python. Cryptography VPN using Python, user have to create client and server modules. So we have to start that server first to run server file python server.py, and simultaneously user need to run client python client.py. If user send message from client after encoding, server replies. This whole communication between server and client will be encrypted. Cryptography over VPN that we have created using cryptography. So this project currently working in our local system using IP project user interface design using Tkinter library. Now the client and server can chat with each other using cryptography VPN, and these are the software and hardware requirement. And this will be the project list. Let's go back. Now point number 91, cryptocurrency advisor. So this post is about the cryptocurrency advisor project using Python. This project will recommend the prediction of some crypto like Bitcoin USD, Dogecoin USD, Ethereum USD, Bitcoin Dogecoin, Binance USD. And this will be the output video of project. And these are the software and hardware requirements. Let's go back. Now point number 92, currency detection and recognition, Indian. Now Indian currency recognition using machine learning. So this project only for the educational purpose. Here user have to enter any input as a Indian currency and it will recognize that particular currency like 10 rupees or 1 rupees or 100,000 rupees. Like that it will classify that particular note. Complete information, and this will be the output video of that working model. And these are the software and hardware requirement. If you want to play that video, just click on the play button. Like see, first it will detect the 2000 note and recognize that particular note. Okay, it will show 2000 note, 2000 Indian currency. Okay, this will be the conclusion, and these are the steps. Like the currency detection recognition using Python involves building a computer vision based system to automatically identify and classify different currencies. Here are the brief overview of the process like image acquisition, pre-processing, text and object detection, feature extraction, classification, recognition, authentication, user interface. And this will be the conclusion. Let's go back. Now point number 93, currency detection recognition or Kuwait. Fake currency detection using machine learning. Now in that project, user have to give input of Kuwait currency and it will detect and recognize the currency. Let's complete this video here. We'll continue again with the next session. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.